Good morning, and we are at the start of yet another new week. Monday morning, just got out of the shower, as you can see. So I thought I'd just come on and say good morning to you all. What to do with the face? Nothing. I have absolutely no intentions of going anywhere today. So do I really need to bother with the face? I don't think so. I think I will just pop on a bit of skincare, and that will be my lot. So this is the Lancome Genifique serum that I got free in the little sort of gift set that I got for Christmas. So this wasn't in the gift set, it was like a free gift because of what Chris did buy, like the perfume and the vanity case with all the bits in. So that was a free gift. I had quite a few of these actually. I was really lucky. So I bung a bit of that on because you do need your skincare, don't you? Might put this one on actually. This is by Cause, and it is a mask, a face mask. I think you need to put it on for 10 minutes. So maybe I should have done that first, but I haven't used it, so I'm going to actually put it on. I'm sure it still works the same, even though I've put the mask, the serum on. But let's put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put it on quite thick, because I don't know about you, but my skin is so dehydrated. Even though I whack a load of stuff on it, still dry and shriveled. Do you know what? Lennox, one of our little grandsons, came round yesterday, and whenever he comes here, he always wants to do like crafting and stuff. And of course, I was doing my, like my shopping list and my food plan, menu, you know, and my journal and all that sort of stuff, my to-do lists, because I do like a list, as I know a lot of us do. Right, 10 minutes. Alexa, can you tell me when 10 minutes is up?
Good morning, Lesleyanne. 10 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. So, yes, I'm just going to take it off with my cellar water when that alarm goes. Don't know, can you see okay? It's a bit liney up there, isn't it? Yeah, he was round and, oh, Grandma, can I do some writing? Just writing. I only want to do writing. Okay, so I gave him a little notebook because I keep loads of stuff here for him. And then I thought, oh, I'll just give him his little like bag that I've got with all pens in and pencils, all the stuff that he uses. And then he was like, have you got any stickers? Have you got any of that tape stuff, like the washi tape? So, you know, I knew what was coming, so I was prepared. And he said to me, Grandma, you're old. I went, am I? What makes you think I'm old? He went, because you got lines. I said, oh, where have I got lines? And he said, you've got them there, you got them there, you got them there, and you got them there. Oh God, I could have killed him. Not really, only joking. But out of the mouths of babes, right? Say it as they say it as it is, don't they? And he said, Chris had lines as well. I said, has Mummy got any lines? Is Mummy old? He went, no. Then he looked at himself in the mirror and said, and I don't either. It'll come to you one day, boy. It will come to you. Oh dear, so funny. So yeah, this morning I was actually up early yet again. You know what I'm like, 5:30, I was downstairs, couldn't settle. Oh, the pain in my ankles was unbelievable. When you live with chronic pain, you know exactly what it's like. So I went down, made a cuppa. Elsie came down with me. We just sort of like took some tablets, curled up on the sofa for a bit. Just watched a bit of boring channel hopping like you do. And then when Chris did get up, had a bit of breakfast, just had some toast, coffee, and then he had to go to the doctor's, and then I've sold some bits on Vinted, so he's taken yet another lot of parcels to be sent off. Did that today for me. And then I've just sort of like popped some bits in the dishwasher. I'm going to put the washing machine on. My lips are terribly dry, despite the fact that I put stuff on every night. They're terribly dry. What else have I done? Oh, just kind of like, you know, like the kitchen spray disinfectant stuff. Did all the worktops, sprayed the furniture with stuff. And I just thought, you know, I'm just going to go up and have a nice shower. So this is where we are right now. A bit later, I'm going to go downstairs. Well, soon when I'm dressed. I say I'm not, you know, put on a face or anything like that. But I will go downstairs, obviously. I don't even know why I said that. And I'm going to, make a lasagna today. It's obviously the postman. They are little buggers though, because they will attack the post. Do you want a treat? He's going, I'll just treat you for being bad. And yes, so I've got opticians tomorrow. I think that's it tomorrow, but I might have a little look around. Don't really know why. I don't know whether to do my shopping online this week. So it's going out, doesn't it? Because it's going to be busy for the next 3 weeks, because we've got the sausage dogs coming on Friday. I think they're here for about almost 3 weeks. And I don't go out. Well, I go out, or Chris stays home, or Chris goes out and I stay home. We don't go out together during that time because they just don't like to be left. And one of them can be a little bit of a chewer, so you have to be careful. And you know, I don't need to create that, you know, barking at something still down there. I'm going to put some of this body butter on my arms. It is actually for legs, but I'm going to put it on my elbows. They're so dry. It's the heating, isn't it? Had a message come through, so maybe that's Hannah, because I think she was thinking of popping round today. 10 minutes up yet? That's a long 10 minutes. It's always a long 10 minutes when you're waiting for it to ping. So what did you get up to the weekend? Did you do anything lovely? Do anything nice? You know, in the comments below what you did over the weekend. I've just timed her off because I'm just going to go in with it. I can't bother to wait 10 minutes. I'm sure that'll be enough. I haven't used it before, so I don't know what it's like. I've used the Cause products. They are beautiful. I used them, first of all, many years ago. I bought like a little kit on QVC and it was stunning. It was lovely. And then, you know, if they didn't have it, you couldn't get it anywhere else. And then we went on holiday to Santorini, and it's in all the chemists over there, because it's obviously it's Greek. So yeah, so now I just wait, and then if we go over to Santorini again, which we love, Santorini, been a few times now, then I don't take any skincare. I'll just buy it there. Right, I'm not going to put any more of that Genifique on. I'm just going to go in with this. This is by Pry, and this is just a day cream. I have a night cream as well, but I'm just sort of lathering it all on, really, because my skin, as you know, is so dry. So, you know, and Lennox said I've got wrinkles because I'm old. I did say, well, I'm nearly 68, my love. Not far off 70 years old. Funny, isn't it? Because sometimes you feel your age. I mostly feel my age, to be fair. When you look in the mirror, it's confirmed. And then sometimes I feel so much older, like when you're in a lot of pain. Alexa off. I thought I cancelled her. Obviously, she wasn't listening. Who does? Who listens to me? Yeah, so I've got, I think it's, is it this week or next week I go to get my nails done again? I can't remember. So I need to decide what I want. I'll probably just go literally for French manicure, I think. Simple. If you can't decide, go French manicure. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get myself dressed. I'll see you a bit later today. So again, time to get the old washing machine on. Oh, and I've just been shopping and I need to put all of this away. Oh, don't you just hate putting the shopping away? Right, so here's the fruit then. So I've got a mixed fruit salad here. I've got honeydew melon, black grapes, green grapes, blueberries and strawberries. And I've got watermelon here and then some little mandarins here. So we can have that, some of that this evening and then some tomorrow with yogurt for breakfast. And then we're just gonna have hummus and that pate on toast to start with. The meatballs that I did earlier, I've just kind of like put them in the sandwich bag, as you saw, and I'm just flat freezing them for the moment. They are almost completely frozen. And really just for a quick dinner tonight, I've made the lasagna. I did it very much cheats way with using like the jars of sauces and some shop bought grated cheese, because I'm not feeling too great at the moment, so it was a way of being able to do dinner but with a little bit of help. So once this is cooked, I'll show you what it's like once we dish it up, and we'll probably have it with some garlic bread and some little side salad. Okay, so fresh out of the oven is the lasagna, and then on the plates we've got the heritage or the rainbow carrots and some cheesy garlic bread with it. So I'm just going to dish it up. And here's my dinner. So I've just put a bit of that classic, there you go, the classic barbecue sauce by Heinz on the side. So off to enjoy.